Hi, my name is Jenny Bowen, and I'm the supervisor over the Envision restaurant team, which conducts the restaurant performance audits or deep dives at Envision. Today, I'm going to be talking about why taking action matters and how it can change the culture of your stores. Taking action on all issues, from cash theft all the way down to the smallest operational issue, can make a huge difference in the culture of your stores. Continually holding employees accountable whenever issues arise helps change and build new habits, which will ultimately improve the restaurant's functions. Taking action is a preventative measure and will not only change employee habits, but will help deter similar situations from happening in the future, deter employee theft, and improve employee morale. Ultimately, loss prevention is the goal. You can't erase past actions, but employees can learn through coaching to perform better in the future. According to a University of Florida industry study, only 2 out of 10 of your employees are honest and are unlikely to steal from you. On the other hand, 2 out of 10 employees enter your restaurant planning to steal from you. The 60% of employees in the middle can be swayed either way. So when an employee sees theft go unaddressed, they may be more comfortable looking for those opportunities to steal themselves. However, if theft is addressed, the employee will know that there's accountability for their actions and they will be deterred from stealing. This is true with more than just theft, though. Addressing loss and operational issues sets a foundation of accountability and honesty. And here are some clips you can take action on. In this clip, you can see that the employee is not wearing a mask or gloves. She also will leave those cash drawers on the back of the counter and walk off screen, leaving the cash unattended. In this clip, the manager leaves the manager's keys on the counter for easy access. And finally, this employee here is wearing a red sweatshirt, which is not proper uniform. Operational issues are like the roots of a tree. Less visible operational habits take root and impact the stability of the tree's more visible growth and functioning. Caring for the root issues changes the culture from the ground up, preventing the spread of other, more visible actions of loss and theft. For example, a manager may leave his keys out on the counter like we saw in the last clip. If this is not addressed, it can change the culture of the store and allow for unsupervised access of the cash drawer at any time by anyone. This lack of accountability easily leads to theft potential, as the door can be opened and skimmed without tracing. Additionally, store culture affects customers. If employees are not held accountable in their required use of masks, gloves, and other important sanitation and health protocols, customers will feel unsafe and potentially even warn others by word of mouth or in negative reviews. Lastly, having open conversations improves the effectiveness of employee coaching opportunities and improves employee morale. Communication keeps employees accountable for their actions, which creates a more honest work environment. Trustworthy employees will be retained longer in stores where the culture of honesty and accountability is expected and even rewarded. Asking them questions to try to understand the situation shows that you not only care about the store's policies, but you also care about them and want to hear their side of the situation. Using specific examples to explain how action directly impacts the store's culture will root out those dishonest employees from those who simply lack training. It will also encourage those 60% of employees who are in the middle and who are influenceable to choose honesty. If you're excited to create a culture of honesty and improve your guest experience, please reach out to the contact information here. Thank you for joining.